This charming city with approximately 50,000 inhabitants, known locally as Akko or Akka, is one of the oldest ports in the world. A larger town was set up between 1500 and 2000 BC. Since then, this place remains one of the oldest continuously inhabited settlements on Earth. Discover with us a rich culture and historical heritage shaped by the Romans, Ottomans, Crusaders, Mamluks, Byzantines, and British. The harbor in the city was a particularly important and busy place from the Classical Age right until the medieval period. The original harbor is now silted up, and all that is left in this small, quiet fishing harbor full of colorful local fishing boats and yachts. From there, it is possible to take a unique tour of the city walls from the sea.